Mason. Okay, let me move myself over here for a second, get myself out of the way. Okay, so today we're going to take what we started with yesterday on how to use the question words to help our writing. And today I want you to turn to the very back page of your journal. So the last page. And at the tippy top, I want you to write superpower. All right. So as you're writing that, I want you to think, if there was one superpower you could choose, what would the one superpower you would be? And we're going to funnel that idea. Remember how we talked about getting our ideas from big ideas to small ideas that we can work with? Okay, so choose one superpower that you, let me move this up, sorry. Choose one superpower that you, if you could choose, what would you want to have? Okay, so I'm going to make my superpower, let me make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to make my superpower the ability to fly. Okay, now you can choose anything. Some of your friends chose like mind powers or ability to make themselves any size, like shapeshifters. Some chose the invisibility. That was a popular one. Okay, so what would your one thing that you want to choose be? And so if you have to press pause until you think of your one superpower that you want to think of. Okay. And then once you have your one superpower, normally we'd funnel it down. Remember how we've been doing this? We've been funneling our writing ideas down. And normally we would funnel it down to like the time when well, we can't do that with superpowers, can we? Like, I've never had the ability to fly. So I can't do that with this funnel. But what I'm going to do is instead, I'm going to list below this. Ready? I'm going to say, if I had the ability to fly, where would I go? Where would I go? I know. I'd go to Australia. Okay, I think I'm not going to put I'd go. I would just put go to Australia. Okay. And then if I had a superpower, who would I be? What would my name be? What's your name be? So write the word question word who. What would you have your superpower name be? I picked super blue because I love bluebirds. Bluebirds fly. Okay. What? I could answer a lot of questions like, what would you use your superpower for? Or what would you look like? Or what would you save? Like, I guess that's kind of what you would use your superpower for, but what details could you give about your superpower that would answer the question, what? What? Let's see. What? I would fly high. No, I know what I do. Fly to pick up friends. To see friends. I know that's what I do. That's what I do. Fly to see friends and family. Okay. Let's think. Where? Well, that's easy for me. I'd be high in the sky. Okay, so we've done who, what, where. Oh, we did two wheres. See what I mean? Okay, I might change this one to high in the sky because I don't know that I'm just going to go to Australia. High in the sky. All right, so who, what, where, when? Maybe I can only fly at night so nobody can see me. Only at night. All right, who, what, where, when, why? Who, what, where, when, why? Why? Maybe I want my superpower to be to drop off surprises Okay, so now I haven't written an entry yet, but do you look at how those question words got me to think about my superpower, got me to think about what my superpower would be and how it would look and where I would go and what my name would be. So I came up with all these details. Okay, so I want you to choose your superpower. Then you're going to write the question words with just ideas next to it. And then you're going to write a journal entry about your superpower. Okay, you want to include all these details, but you're not going to just list them. You're going to make them into sentences. So it might be, if I could choose any superpower, superpower, I would choose to be able to fly. Okay. I would fly high in the sky over the trees and among the birds. I would be called Super Blue because I would look like a, oopsie, I can't see me, like a big bluebird, which are my favorite birds. Okay, so do you see how I am putting these details into sentences? Okay, so I have my ideas, and now I'm going to write all about my superpower, if you could choose any superpower. Okay, so do this first, and then sit for a few minutes and write all about your superpower. When you finish, take pictures so I can see what you chose. All right, have a great day.